Today, I will show you how to automate your posts on LinkedIn. These posts on my LinkedIn page have been automated using this workflow. This workflow basically generates topic contents and create your contents, generate images, even create or generate hashtags, and then posting them on LinkedIn. All right, as the node trigger, I used the schedule trigger as a node trigger. So if you post daily, you just put or select days. If you post every day, you type in one or you type in two if you post every 2 days. All right, I'll just type in one, and here you choose the time. You got from midnight to 11 p.m. All right, for me, I just select 9 a.m. and then let's execute the node. Let's go to the content topic generator and execute the step, and let's see what's the output would be. All right, we got some issues. I think the output parser. We got a problem here. Let me just execute the flow again. I mean, execute the node. All right, it's fixed magically. I don't know what happened, but we got our contents here. I mean, content topics. So as you can see, the AI agents output multiple topics, but they're all about AI tools, as I emphasized or precised in the prompts. So these prompts basically tell the AI to generate different topics on AI tools. All right, let's go to the next node. We got so this is a basic LLM chain that create our contents, uh, basically from this input. Let's execute the step. So the AI here just picked one of these topics and then created or generated a content post for us. Plus, it generated an image description for our OpenAI image generation. We can call it that. All right. So from this OpenAI, we will be generating our content image. Let's give it a minute, and meanwhile, let's go to the hashtag generator SEO. So this AI agent basically uh, creates or generates hashtags from or concerning this post and the title, and it brings out only the trending hashtags related to the content. All right, let's check our image. So we got the image generated from the OpenAI. All right, let's execute the merge step. So this node here just merge our two no, two nodes in one output. Let me show you. So we got here two items, the item from the OpenAI and the item from the hashtag generator. It's necessary to use uh, this node so we could easily drag and drop our contents. But here in the LinkedIn node, we should always select create, and in the resource post, it's automatically selected. So all the only thing we modify is the whether we want to post as an organization or as a person. All right, I chose the organization, and the organization URL I got it from the LinkedIn page link. You just choose the code with numbers and copy it and then paste it here. I got mine. All right, and the text I got the text from the content creator, of course. You choose the content creator and just drag and drop the post content. And here we got the media category. We can select none. It means only posting a text without an image or without a video or any kind of media. All right, here we got the article. You can uh, post a text along with an article, but here I chose an image that we generated from the OpenAI. All right, here we got data, which is the name of the binary data of the image, and then the title from the content creator, of course. Here is our post title. We just drag and drop. All right, let's execute the step and let's go refresh our LinkedIn page. I hope you remember the OpenAI image. As you can see, we got our post published. Here is I guess, the post title and the post contents. And here down below, we got the hashtags and our picture here that we generated from OpenAI. So as you can see, you can do this daily or the workflow. If you publish the workflow from the uh, so above on the right, we got publish. I cannot publish it because I have an error here. So even if I posted my post content is already posted on LinkedIn, but I still got the error here. So the error is because the binary data didn't came from the OpenAI directly to the LinkedIn node. That's why we got the error. But nevertheless, we got our post published on LinkedIn successfully. So basically, what we did here is uh, posting on LinkedIn with generated topics and generated contents from the topics and generated image. So we basically generated all of our content post in this workflow. But if you want to post your own media or your own image, I got another workflow for that, which I will go there real quick. All right. From this workflow, I basically uh, I basically post an image from Google Drive, from my Google Drive, and then analyze it with the OpenAI Analyze Image node, and then send the analysis to the content or content generator, and then the content creator, and then we post it along or process it through these steps, and then post it on our LinkedIn. All right, let me just add an image to my Google Drive. All right, I'll just click on New. Uh, I'll click on File Upload. I'll select this image. It's a it's already existing. Let me just choose another one. All right, I got multiple screenshots of my workflows. I'll just mm, click on this one. It's the same one. All right, let's keep both files for the tutorial purpose. And then I got I got my image uploaded. Let's go back to our editing and let me execute the step to show you exactly how it goes. Let me execute the workflow. We got a problem in the OpenAI. Let's check the error parameters. Content viewer, image viewer. All right. So the problem is that we cannot view the image from the download file. I don't know why, but let's. I get it. I get it. All right. So here the parameters has to be changed. I need to let me just refresh this section, and then I'll choose my folder. Resource. The resource should be folder, and then my drive. The folder name is n8n. And let's execute this step. Oh, so when I changed file from file to folder, the node automatically changed to create. I didn't notice. I'll just click on folder and then choose download. Let me try this one. I click on file folder. All right, let's just click file and download. And let's change this to URL, or let me try ID. All right, let's look for the ID. Let's just type in ID. And eligible. Workflow, variables. Permission. Let's just select the word view link, turn switch it to URL, and then execute the step. We got the same problem. Let's look for word mark. Let's just we don't need the word view link. I'll just you know. So the problem is when I uploaded this image, I didn't turn this restricted. So the general access is restricted. So I should change this from this to anyone with the link. And now I think I get to view the image from here. So let's just execute the workflow again. I think now it's working. Now I get to view the image. So it's working. Let's go to our LinkedIn. Let me see what just happened here. All right, I gotta change the text from the edit field or the set field, the set node. So the text is the post content, and the title is the post title. Here we got the other download node with our image. As you can see, we got our organization URL. Now let's execute this step. Let's go back to our LinkedIn account. As you can see, it's executed. And here we got our image along with a caption or a content post. A today's digital landscape, harnessing the power of AI workflows is crucial for optimizing. So the content is basically about the image. As you can see, it's a workflow and it's a AI automation. We got the automation hashtag, the AI hashtag, business growth, start by identify this task. So it's the automation, implement AI tools. So it's all about this image. All right, you can choose your image or your personal image to use for this uh, workflow, or you can use multiple social media platforms as for Facebook or Instagram or I mean any other social media in this single workflow. Let me show you an example. I got an example for Facebook and Instagram. We got this workflow that posts on both Instagram and Facebook. We got this other workflow. This workflow posts on daily basis on both Facebook and Instagram. I will show you how we do that in another video, hopefully, soon, hopefully. All right, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.